Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel Works For Me. I'm Diane and I like to share ways that I'm organizing my home and my life in hopes that it will inspire and help others. Today I'm going to share with you a project that my teen daughter and I did together. She came to me one day and said, "Mom, can you help me organize my bathroom? I just feel like it's too crowded and I just don't know where to find everything. It's just not working for me." So, the organization bug that I have just made me say yes, and it was a joy to help her. If you're new here, please remember to click subscribe below and like and share all you want, and you'll keep updated on all the videos that I post. All these things really belong in the bathroom, but we've taken them out of all the drawers and cupboard so that we can reorganize this bathroom, declutter it, make everything more easily accessible, and have room for everything that's important. So come along with us and see how we get this room organized. Bunster's probably going to help us as much as he possibly can. So at first, she said, "Mom, I want acrylic containers in all of my drawers." And we set out to find them, and A, they're kind of expensive, and B, it was hard to find the exact size we needed. I did find a few, but in the meantime, we used some creative dividers in her drawers. You can use things like checkbox containers. You can use containers from lunch meat from the store. I had one extra small Sterlite bin that I was able to fit in the drawer, and it acted like a slide on top of the sides of the drawer, and there was still empty space below it. So you can do all sorts of things, and when things are tucked away in a drawer or in a cupboard, it doesn't really matter as much that they match each other. When we match bins and containers, that's usually in a space that's open that you see all the time. So you don't have to worry about spending a lot of money on matching containers, especially in a project like this. Here are a couple more drawers, and you can see the acrylic containers that we did find. The thing I was really pleased with is that we were able to repurpose some canned good tiered shelving and put it under her sink where we could hold some of her back stock of shampoo and lotions and things. Now let's take another look at this newly tidied and organized bathroom. Beautiful. We organized everything into zones. This one has brushes and deodorant, and my daughter has been tweaking this over the last couple of weeks. This one contains tooth care and shavers. Some extra feminine products. Some more daily care here. But notice how it's not crowded, so she can find everything she needs. All of her hair items are in this drawer. And here we keep travel items and first aid. This, I don't think, we didn't get a clear picture of this before we started organizing it, unfortunately. But it was quite a disaster. And now we were able to take these tiered units that we used to use for canned goods in our pantry and no longer used because we got better ones for some of her backstock of things under her sink. And then she has the things that she needs to reach really quickly right near the front. We were able to make use of an old jar to get some vertical space in here. And then in this cabinet, we were able to use an old pot that we were no longer using for plants to wrap up some washcloths. So you can find very interesting storage ideas in your own home if you just look for them. This is an acrylic divided cosmetic container that you can get all over the place now at Amazon, Marshalls, Walmart. The last thing that we need to do for her is to find a solution for her jewelry, and she's shopping for that right now. That's why it's not on display. She's got a lot of jewelry in here and a lot in her closet. One of the great things about organizing and tidying up a space and making it look pretty is that it's a great motivator to keep it that way. And that's exactly what my daughter has done. We actually finished this a few weeks ago.